If you want to stop recurring charges on Etsy, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're accessing the account where the recurring charges are set up. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions or Purchases and Reviews section. This is where you can view all active subscriptions and recurring charges linked to your account. Step 4. Identify the subscription. Find the specific subscription that you want to cancel. Review the details to ensure it is the correct one, as this will help you avoid cancelling the wrong service. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on Etsy. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Etsy's customer support for assistance.